What if I told you the first 60 minutes of your day could dictate your success for the next 16 hours? Studies show that 90% of Fortune 500 CEOs wake up before 6 a.m., and 80% of self-made millionaires spend their first hour on self-improvement, not emails. But here's the kicker. Most people waste this golden window hitting snooze, scrolling TikTok, or rushing out the door. Today, we're revealing exactly how the world's most successful people engineer their mornings, and how you can steal their rituals to skyrocket your productivity. Let's dive in. Hey there, welcome to Tips Mayor. Whether you're a night owl struggling to open your eyes or a busy parent juggling a million tasks, this video is your blueprint to transforming your mornings. We've reverse-engineered the routines of billionaires, athletes, and thought leaders to bring you 7 science-backed habits that'll help you conquer your day. No fluff, no extremes, just actionable steps you can start tomorrow. And hey, if you're new here, smash that subscribe button. Join our community of go-getters unlocking productivity hacks daily. Ready to finally own your mornings? Let's go. Let's get real. Mornings are hard. You're tired, overwhelmed, and already playing catch-up. Maybe you've tried waking up at 5 a.m. before, only to crash by noon. Or perhaps you're stuck in a loop of checking emails, social media, and news the second you open your eyes, flooding your brain with stress before you've even brushed your teeth. Sound familiar? The problem isn't you, it's your system. Without intentional rituals, you're letting the world dictate your day. But what if you could flip the script? Here are the 7 daily habits of successful people. Number 1. The 5 a.m. Club. That is, own your time. Why 5 a.m.? It's not about bragging rights, it's about quiet. No emails, no distractions, just you and your goals. Take Apple CEO Tim Cook, who starts his day at 3:45 a.m. to read user feedback and hit the gym. Or Indra Nooyi, former PepsiCo CEO, who used her early mornings to strategize without interruptions. Here is an action steps for you. First, start small. Set your alarm 15 minutes earlier each week until you hit your target. Secondly, use the time for input, not output. Read 10 pages of a book, listen to a podcast, or journal. Pro tip, place your alarm across the room. No snooze allowed. Number 2, hydrate to dominate. Your brain is 73% water. And after 7 hours of sleep, it's parched. Arianna Huffington drinks a glass of water with lemon first thing to kickstart her metabolism and mental clarity. Even better, a 2023 study found that dehydration reduces cognitive performance by 20%. Here is an action steps for you. First, keep a full glass of water by your bed. Chug it before coffee. Secondly, add lemon, it detoxifies. Or mint, as it freshens breath, or even add a pinch of salt as it balances electrolytes. Pro tip, use a fancy glass or reusable bottle. It makes hydration feel like a ritual. Number 3, move to improve. That is, the 10-minute rule. You don't need a 2-hour CrossFit session. Oprah meditates, Tony Robbins does 10 minutes of rebounding, and Twitter's Jack Dorsey swears by cold plunges. Movement spikes dopamine, the motivation molecule. Here is an action steps for you. The first is to pick something you enjoy. Dance to Beyoncé, stretch, or walk around the block. The second is to use the 3-to-1 rule. 3 sun salutations, 2 minutes of jumping jacks, 1 minute of deep breathing. Pro tip, lay out your workout clothes the night before, no excuses. The number 4 is mindfulness. That is the 5-minute brain reset. Billionaire Ray Dalio credits meditation for his success at Bridgewater Associates. Even the US Marines use mindfulness to reduce stress. The science behind this is that just 5 minutes lowers cortisol, which is the stress hormone, by 14%. Here is an action steps for you. First, try the 5-5-5 method. 5 deep breaths, 5 things you're grateful for, 5 minutes of guided meditation. Secondly, use free apps like Insight Timer or YouTube channels like Goodful. Pro tip, sit by a window. Natural light boosts serotonin, making mindfulness easier. The number 5 is, eat like a winner. Warren Buffett might love his McDonald's breakfast, but he pairs it with a protein shake. Serena Williams starts her day with scrambled eggs and spinach. Why? Protein stabilizes blood sugar, preventing mid-morning crash. Here is an action steps for you. First, Prep overnight oats with chia seeds and berries. Secondly, make a 2-minute omelet, eggs, spinach, and leftover veggies. Pro tip, avoid sugar for the first hour. Save the pancakes for the weekend. Number 6. The Ivy Lee method, which is plan your attack. In 1918, productivity consultant Ivy Lee taught Charles Schwab a method that's still used today. Write down 6 critical tasks the night before, ranked by importance. Elon Musk takes it further, blocking his day into 5-minute slots. Here is an action steps for you. First, before bed, jot down 6 most important tasks. Secondly, use time blocking apps like Sunsama or Google Calendar. Pro tip, put your list where you'll see it first thing, taped to your mirror or as your phone's lock screen. The last habit on our list here, the habit number 7, which is phone-free first hour. Here's the biggest mistake 95% of people make, checking their phone within 5 minutes of waking up. Why? It hijacks your dopamine, making you reactive instead of proactive. Bill Gates, Mel Robbins, and countless others guard their mornings like Fort Knox. Here is an action steps for you. First, leave your phone in another room overnight. Secondly, use an old school alarm clock. Pro tip, replace scrolling with a mindful minute. Stare out the window and let your mind wander. Creativity thrives in boredom. Here's the cold, hard truth. The moment you check your phone in the morning, you're handing over your brain's steering wheel to strangers. Emails, notifications, endless scrolls. They're not just distractions, they're dopamine traps designed to hijack your focus. But the habit number 7 is your secret weapon. Imagine this, your first hour is a digital detox. No screens, no chaos, just you, a quiet mind, and a steaming cup of clarity. One viewer, Sarah, went from scrolling memes to launching a $10,000 per month Etsy shop in 90 days. All because she locked her phone until 8 a.m. It's your turn. Will you let algorithms run your mornings? Or will you press pause and reclaim your superpower? Let's lock this in. Wake up early, hydrate, move your body, meditate, fuel your brain, plan your day, and guard your focus. These aren't just habits, they're a lifestyle. Remember, success isn't about being perfect, it's about showing up consistently. Start with one habit tomorrow, and build from there. If these habits inspired you, smash that like button and share this with a friend who needs a productivity boost. Drop a comment below. Which ritual are you trying first? Have you already mastered early mornings, or is this your first step toward a CEO-worthy routine? We're rooting for you. Tell us your goals. Don't miss out. Hit subscribe and ring the bell for weekly tips on productivity hacks, smart finance moves, and lifestyle upgrades. Craving more? Watch next. 11 legit side hustles for beginners 2025. Earn money online. No experience needed, because a productive morning starts with a stress-free bank account. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.